Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, tonight I am making meatloaf sandwiches for dinner, and how we came upon this is a couple of days ago we had made Mom's meatloaf, and actually we have a video of that. And one of our really yummy sandwiches that we both enjoy a lot is a meatloaf sandwich. So I just thought I'd show you how we do it. And so let's go ahead and get started. What I have here is some Italian bread that is from the bakery at the grocery store. And I usually butter my bread. And I had to soften this butter because it's winter time here, and even though I leave my butter out, it doesn't spread as nice as this at room temperature. So I just warmed it up in my microwave for about 7 seconds, and it turned out fine. So the next thing I do is I take my meatloaf and I sliced, I'll show you here, I sliced a fairly thick piece. I have another piece here too because I'm probably going to have to add extra to this bread. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, just a little bit in a few spots. But this recipe is just delicious, and it makes the best meatloaf sandwiches. See how it stays so nice and firm? And it's not dry at all. It's very moist. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit extra. There we go. This is good also on hamburger buns. If you have hamburger or hot dog buns, you can do it too. So, and then you can either, put mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, whatever you want. But on this particular meatloaf recipe, I make a topping to go on top of it along with bacon. There's bacon underneath that topping. So I made up some additional topping, which consists of brown sugar and ketchup and nutmeg. And we'll put the the amounts in the recipe, at the bottom of the video for you for that. So I just drizzle that on. And this one's going to be for Richard. So Richard, how much? You tell me how much of this sauce you want on there.
That's enough.
Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out. I'm one of those that likes my butter spread all the way to the edges of my bread, and peanut butter, whatever it's kind of sandwich I'm making. I'm funny about that. So there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this. Oops, you know what? I forgot one thing. Lettuce. And here we go with the lettuce. And I wash this, and I use a clean tea towel to dry it. So I didn't want to get my salad spinner out for just these few pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of pieces of this lettuce on here. Here's a smaller piece right here. And actually, I think this is going to be my sandwich because I'll need to sample it for everybody. So
go ahead, Miss Glow.
Then I'll make you one as well. So we'll be back in just a moment, and I'll sample it for you. Well, now I get to have a bite of this delicious sandwich. I've been thinking about this today. Look at that, you guys.
You thought about it all day?
Not all day, but I've been thinking about it. We haven't had meatloaf in quite a while, actually, and this recipe makes the best meatloaf sandwiches as well as meatloaf. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bite.
Try it out, Miss Glow.
Mmm. This is so good. The meat is really moist and flavorful. It has beef and pork in it and herbs, and it's just delicious. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. And if you have, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful evening. If you make this sandwich, let me know how it turned out for you. Bye.